Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make your ghost fish. First, ensure you have all your materials ready, including clear silicone, a suitable mold, and any desired inclusions. A clean, well-ventilated workspace is crucial for a smooth casting process. We'll cover each step to help you create a beautiful, translucent fish that appears to float in air. Let's dive in and get started on this fun project. Now, let's move to the casting phase. Begin by accurately mixing the two components of your clear silicone, following the manufacturer's instructions precisely. Pour the mixture gently into your mold, avoiding air bubbles. Patience is key during the curing process. Allow the silicone to set completely, which might take several hours depending on the product. This ensures a strong, clear ghost fish. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more creative projects. Speaking of things that are light and easy to hold, why not read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite? It's perfect for diving into new worlds, just like we're creating our own here. Check the description for a link to the Kindle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once fully cured, carefully demold your ghost fish. Take your time to avoid tearing the delicate silicone. Use sharp scissors or a craft knife to trim any flashing or excess material, creating a smooth, professional finish. You can then decide if you want to add small, subtle details with paint or prepare a clear display stand to enhance its ethereal appearance. Your ghost fish is almost complete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.